And that's part two of my first upload. And I was talking about the year over year. Now this also shows your outstanding shares, the initial outstanding shares, the weighted shares. Weighted shares are basically just when the company, or I'm sorry, the weighted shares are just the average shares between the 2 quarters. The EPS is estimated price per share. It's the net income minus preferred dividends divided by the weighted shares of the 2 quarters or the time frame that you're looking to get the EPS from. The last actual EPS. Now you can use Yahoo, Google, or you can try to find your own EPS. The best way to do it is probably to use Yahoo or Google because they're going to give you the actual EPS. You can also get your net income from previous quarters from Yahoo and Google, all of them. And then you can get your net change from net income from quarters just from subtracting them. And then your growth rate, the EPS growth rate. I'm going to go over this in more depth. This can get very tricky. I know a lot of more experienced traders. They're going to know this. This is very important to know. This can get very tricky. I will be keeping my formulas up here just so these newer traders, they can learn these formulas. But once again, these formulas that you need to learn, I feel like you should learn them. You should have the ability to learn them without having to have to research them. So that's part of the point of my channel. Outstanding shares current to price, that's part of it. You can find your outstanding shares and then you're just going to go and multiply them to your price. So PEG ratio, I will be going over this. Once again, these are very in-depth formulas. So some of these are very easy. Some of these are more in-depth. I do want to go over the in-depth formulas later on. But like the price to earnings ratio divided by earnings to growth ratio, it's very easy. However, you have to know other ratios or other formulas to get this formula. So it's, in a sense, it's very easy. However, it's very in depth. So after that, I have just another little tidbit about it, and then I'm gonna go over which sector it's in and what the analysis or analysts are saying about it at the time, and the value if I can find it at the time. And if it is a dividend stock, then we're going to go into what the dividends are saying, or what the dividend potentials, I guess, would be a better way to say it. So this is a way you can go, okay, I can put on AGNC. Currently AGNC I think is at 1650 and 1623, somewhere around that. You could put $10, or you can buy one share of AGNC the payment or your dividend is 12 cents. And this way you know how much for which stock you're going to make. Now, I also keep track of the dividend increases and decreases and how strong the dividend is due to after 2020 it was hard on some of the dividends. I keep track of when the dividends are paid out because some people do have trouble keeping track of when dividends do get paid out. And we just have a lot of different things we can go over. So that's just going to be a little tidbit foreshadowing of what my channel will be going over. I do hope you follow me. Please like and comment and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future. Have a great day.